Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 08 May 2018, 07 of hour, 16 of minute and 16 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, why do birds need more oxygen than humans? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about why do birds need more oxygen than humans. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about why do birds need more oxygen than humans. In the avian lung, the gas exchange occurs in the walls of microscopic tubules, called air capillaries. The respiratory system of birds is more efficient than that of mammals, transferring more oxygen with each breath. This also means the toxins in the air are also transferred more efficiently. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.